What's up, everybody? Tiffany Outdoors here. You will never guess what we're doing in the middle of summer. Stay tuned. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, boo. What?
Yeah. Y'all remember this thing? We are finally going to use it. 17.3 pound turkey. Let's look at her. Oh yes. In all of her beauty and deliciousness. So I got this pot set. I got the pot all put together. It's all put together. Got yeah. The one thing we didn't realize was that it's outdoor use only. And it's what, about
probably 100 degrees outside.
not 100 outside. Oh yeah, it's a perfect day for that, huh?
Well, 93. It's not quite 100.
93, close enough. So Joe is going to inject the marinade into the turkey, and I need to go get out some cords and put this thing in the shade. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll probably get some bricks. Set it up on some bricks. I'll do that. Set it up on some bricks in the shade. So, and oh, you know, I probably should use my cooking platform. I'll do that. I'm going to use my Dutch oven cook platform. That's probably the safest place to put this thing. That's where I'm going to put it.
Yeah, I'm going to try not to stab myself with this.
Alright, let me go do that. And if y'all want to, you can come along, but it's hot. You might want to stay in the house. Whew. Thank you for those of you who are brave enough to come out in this North Carolina heat and humidity. It is a bear. Alright, so we've got plenty of shade out here under that huge sycamore tree, so I'm going to also set up my benches and some electrical cords from this electrical socket here. Whew, I'm already sweating. The only thing I've done was pull out this drop cord and set it on the ground and one of my benches. Alright, so got bench set up there, perfect. Cord set up there. My cooking platform is on the other side of that fire pit there. And that's where we're going to set up the oilless turkey fryer. I'm so excited, y'all. I cannot wait to taste this. This is the first time I'm having fried turkey. A lot of people every November. Oh, it's so good. Oh no, actually I have had it. I've had it once. And it was good. I couldn't stop eating the skin. Alright. Whew. I'm going to go back in, see if Joe needs help with anything. And I'm going to come back by, pick y'all up while we get this thing together. Alright, so the butter seasoning is on there. And in has been injected and seasoned inside and out.
It's been really interesting watching putting this, because I've never injected turkey or chicken before. So when I put the injection in it, it's like instant muscle.
It plumped up.
Yeah, it plumped up big time. If you push too hard, seasoning will squirt out, I'm sure. But it went.
Okay. All right. Well. Cool. Alright, y'all, the one thing that I'm finding that I don't like about this pot already, and it's just a small thing, is this right here, the thermometer. There's no numbers, so you don't know what temperature you're actually cooking your meat to. I mean, it's just a band. Red means hot and yellow means warm. Y'all could have done a little bit better, Butterball. Could have done better. But I can't wait to see the outcome of this, and we'll check in on it every couple hours or so, and I'll keep you guys posted. We're gonna team lift this all the way out to the cooking platform. So, all right, y'all, it is set up, it is going. So, like I was telling you guys, that right there, you just don't know what the temperature is. So Joe put it on full blast. I'm kind of nervous with it being on full blast because it might cook the outside too quick. But maybe full blast to get it warmed up, and then we can turn it down. Yeah, I think they could have done better by at least putting the numbers outside so you know what temperature you're cooking it at. That would have helped a lot. Joe went inside to get the little drip pan. Oh, sit down on my little bench. Handy dandy bench. Whew. I'm going to link the video for how I made this bench. I have two of them, but I only pulled one out. Mr. and Mrs. Owl. They're such good employees. They're such good employees. They work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They never ask for any time off. And they don't mind working in the sun.
Who?
Mr. and Mrs. Owl.
Oh.
Who? Who? That was too funny. Who?
Had I known that we were talking about owls, I probably would not have said who.
Alright, I'm heading back in. I guess we should probably come back out after like 30 minutes to make sure that it cranked up all the way. Is it too much? Alright, so we'll do that. We'll come back in, what, 20, 30 minutes? See what it's doing. Man, dang, it's hot.
Why is my nose running?
Alright, we'll check back in with you guys in a little bit.
How hot?
I know I'm wearing a different shirt. Okay, the turkey has been cooking for 1 hour. We're coming out every 30 minutes to check on it. Oh, wow, it looks good. Look at that. Oh.
It's browning pretty nicely.
Yep. You're standing in the shadow. Yeah. Here we go. Coming along pretty nicely. We're at the 2 hour mark. It's gotten so much cooler out here. Much, much cooler.
I'm so hungry.
I am too. We're so hungry. Stomach's growling.
Temperature is at 180.
180 is.
Oh my God, you can smell it. It's done.
It's a little too done, huh?
Oh, yes, but it smells so good.
All right, let's shut this off. Nice fried turkey.
Right? 2 hours.
2 hours. We may have overcooked it. It's showing 180. Probably should have checked it. Well, when you said it was 150, and then we waited another 30 minutes, and now it's at 180. So that temperature went up pretty fast. All right, I'm gonna grab the little hook grabber thingy. Okay. All right, so she needs an oven mitt. I need the little basket lifter thing. All right, y'all, I'm gonna shut this camera off. I need 2 hands for this. And we'll bring the turkey in the house and show you what we got. Y'all, this thing has turned out deliciously. I carved up half of the turkey there. The rest is there. Oh my goodness, and it is delicious. So That thing, it was what, 2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours.
So it took 2 hours to cook a 17-pound turkey in the oilless Butterball fryer. Can't wait to eat this thing. We're gonna go eat. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.